guys ever heard of Airsoft? That's what my brother and his friends are doing. Hey Jason, you're gonna be on YouTube.
Okay.
Are you videotaping us, Andrew? Are you gonna
Yeah, I'm videotaping you. It's for YouTube. Yep.
I find that on YouTube, dude. I'm gonna come to your house and shoot you.
No, you're not going to shoot me.
I'll mail
You do, and you know what's gonna happen. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do anything to you. I'm just got nothing else to do.
Y'all ready?
You better not put that on YouTube.
Well, too bad.
What are you gonna title it? Random person film?
No. I don't know what I'm gonna title it. I'll figure out something.
Tell me the video so I can hack it and erase it.
No, you're not going to hack it. And you're not going to erase it. Okay, everyone, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.